Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for the nearest pickup points in the Packeta application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Click on the pickup points button on the bottom of the page, and here you can see that based on your location which are the nearest pickup points, and you can also choose which type of pickup points you would want to see. Like you can enable if you only want to see pickup points which have card payment accepted, and so on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.